Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and it is iPhone day. So here is mine. It is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I got it in the same colour as last year. Some people are thinking, but you can't tell it's the new phone then, Sam. You should have got the new colour. I'll be honest with you, the new colour's alright, but I actually really like the natural titanium. It matches my watch. Happy days, right? Anyway, I went for the 16 Pro Max. It's slightly bigger this year. We're looking at 6.9 inch. So it's getting ever so close to that 7-inch kind of size, isn't it? It's pretty bonkers. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing today, and we're going to go through some other stuff later on in some other videos. So I've got a couple of cases, screen protectors, you name it, I'm going to be doing it. If you want anything specific, let me know in a comment down below. Anyway, here we go. So here is your phone front and centre. And on the side it is an iPhone, what a shocker. And this side again, it is another iPhone, crazy. Apple, and on the bottom of the box, on the back of the box, it just tells you it's iPhone 16 Pro Max, designed in Apple, California, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, let's rip it open, shall we? Let's go for it. So it's got the pull tab here at the bottom. So if I can just, bam, and then the one at the top, bam too. Happy days, right? So let's turn her over and hit see the actual phone itself. Ready for it? Ready for it? You've never seen anything like this before. Bam! Wow, look how new that looks. Oh, look, it's my old one. Oh, I know. I'm not that bothered. A lot of people are like, oh my God, don't look any different. It looks like a beautiful phone, doesn't it? So this one's going to my wife. This is going to be my new shiny one. So let's stick this off to the side. Here it is. Does it feel anything different really in terms of the extra weight? I'll be honest with you, don't feel much heavier at all, if anything. That's a good thing. So obviously you get a slightly bigger phone, but hopefully you're not going to feel it as much because of the smaller bezels. What else do we get? So we also get a cable and a SIM ejector. So to my American friends out there, haha, in your face, you don't get an ejector because you don't have a SIM slot. Yeah, happy days for us over here in the UK and pretty much everywhere else in the world, to be fair. And honestly, that cable feels pretty nice. So I don't know if they started doing it last year, but it's like a ribbed cable, so it's got like a material on it. Much better than the previous ones they used to give you. And what else do we get? We also get some small little tips and whatnot. Right, where's my charger? Ah, yeah. Oh well. Hey, worth asking, right? Worth asking. So let's just put this off to the side because we're not going to need that really now. Dun-dun-dun. And let's bring that phone into front and centre. First, let's take off the peel, shall we? Bam! Happy days. And tell you what, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit and get a bit of a closer look, just to kind of show you a little bit. You can see it is slightly taller. It is probably a tiny bit wider. Cameras look very similar in terms of the actual size of them. The thickness, it feels pretty much very similar. It does have a slightly different side though. Don't know if it's going to show off on camera well, but let's see if I can shine it a little bit. This one seems like a bit softer. This one's a bit more brushed. I don't know if you can kind of tell the difference camera there or not. Don't know how well it's showing, but if you can see it, then yeah, that's pretty awesome. So yeah. So let's just put that one out of the side, because obviously we don't need to see that one really quickly, do we? Oh well, so God knows what happened there. I don't know if you noticed the light changed, so yeah, it was a bit odd, wasn't it? Huh? Anyway, I mean, that's pretty much it for an unboxing, isn't it? I mean, I can turn it on. I'll have a look at the bezels. So, what's the turn on for me? We'll have a look how big the bezels are. I'll speed this up because obviously I don't want it to be a 20-minute unboxing video and I'm not really showing much of the actual phone itself. So there you are, side by side. I don't normally really show you this because it's just going to be white, isn't it? So, don't want to be setting that new iPhone up just yet. Not yet, anyway. So, yeah, it's going to be hard to show because I've got a screen protector on this one. So I don't know when we're taking it off. But yeah, the bezels are, they actually pretty look significantly smaller on this one, which is pretty nice. So yeah, it's weird. It don't feel heavy. Actually, it's not lighter, is it? Placebo effect, everyone. But it feels lighter. So the differences are this year, we've got a new 48 megapixel ultra wide camera. I think we've got a new sensor in the 48 megapixel one, if I'm not mistaken. It's the second generation of that sensor. So hopefully we're going to see some improvements. But I think that's going to be the star of the show this year, isn't it? Actual camera button. Oh, they're not calling it that. It's some kind of other button, but that's what it says, camera button, isn't it? But apart from that, nothing's really changed, or nothing much has changed. Again, it feels a bit softer, does this? I don't know if that makes sense, but it just feels like it's, when I say softer, it's not like, oh, it's all smushy, but it's nice and smooth. Other one, not that it's not smooth, but it doesn't, you don't feel the same. So yeah, obviously on the bottom, we've got Type-C USB charging, buttons, boom, boom. Happy days, right? Hello. Ah. Anyway, that's it. It's a quick unboxing. Well, they say it's a quick unboxing. Never that quick, is it? Let's be honest with you. But that's the quick unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Any questions, hit me with a comment down below. Please don't forget to smash the like button. You know you want to. And what should you also do? What's the old trusty thing? Subscribe. Why? Because it's free. It doesn't cost you a penny, nickel or a dime. Anyway, I'm going to go off. I'm going to go set this up. I'm going to shoot some other videos. Got a couple of cases, screen protector, etc. Anything specific you want to know, let me know in a comment down below. Anyway, people, thanks for watching, and you'll see me. Well, you might not see me, but you'll definitely hear me and see these puppies in my next video. Cheers, everyone.